Rashida. This is Jen. This is Matus. This is Spencer. This is Rosie. This Edward. This Gordon. This Thomas. This Whiff. This James. This Henry. This Percy. This Bert. And this Emily.